kami. Pwede.
Parasailing na kami!
Bigyan mo kami. Ay, lutay. Diba? I-enjoy na rin yun. Ha?
Ako mag-relax.
Oh. Next time.
Inhale and then exhale ng slow.
Kakangalawin. Kakangalay ito. Bit ni Daddy.
Buti na lang, hindi ako may bitbit. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Ayaw ko siya parang.
Lakas din naman pala ang hangin eh. Oh.
If we fall, I'm okay with swimming because I know how to swim. But we're like
May sunset.
flying, guys. Yeah.
Oh, na-experience mo na anak maging papagayo. Tangar. Tawag dyan, tangar. Oh. Your dream come.
Because I was thinking about last night if I could fly. But buti na lang Ate Pia told me that we can do like this.
Actually, Ate Pia is the one who, ang
Yeah.
tawag doon,
Told
kuyaya to you.
No, are you scared of heights still?
Yes, but okay because I'm with you. It's like we're flying.
Oh, kuya, look at dito sa camera oh.
Hello!
Recording ko ito.
This is like this.
May picture na kami dito. Picture! Picture!
Ay, nakakangalay nga pala pag 15
Tapos
minutes din.
mamaya babalik ulit tayo.
If you look
Naurasan
back,
mo,
I
Ineng?
like the sun.
Hindi. Wala akong relo. Pero ang oras sa aking cellphone ay 5:33.
5 ano?
33.
5:33 kanina tayo. May 3 minutes pa lang.
We're like, we're like in airplane and then, no, actually we're like in parachute. Well, we're in parachute. I'm looking down. My gosh, I should.
Don't look down, look and straight.
Ay.
Hi. Look at the windmill.
Oh, let's say welcome to Boracay in the 360.
Look, anakin yung Boracay Island, oh. See, yun
Kuya,
yung puto,
kuya.
no?
Kuya.
Ganda.
Kuya, let's say welcome to Boracay. There's the camera. 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to Boracay!
Anak, ganyan lang kalit. Ano, yung island ng Boracay Island, no? See, it's very small.
Why?
Ha?
Why?
Aba, eh, siyempre. Kaya pala dito lang ito pwede dahil dito may hangin. Oh, yung pa sila, oh. Kasabay natin. Dapat si Ena, sinama natin. Ah,
Baka siya ay
True.
masakit nga sa puwet. Dapat nga pala din sa may
ha?
sa may thigh. Sa may thigh yung ano.
Yeah. We're so secured.
Naka-play pa ba to? Baka lobat na to.
No, naka-play yan.
Kaya,
Oo, sabi ni Kuya eh.
15 minutes, naka-play na.